Hey you guys, so for today's video, I did this look. I was inspired by my shirt because I'm wearing like this camo shirt, and I went with those tones, like those forest greens and the golds, and I kind of added all those tones into my eyeshadow. So if you want to see what products I used and how I created this look, go ahead and stay tuned and keep on watching. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to start by filling in my eyebrows using the CoverGirl Easy Breezy Brow. So this is what the palette looks like. It comes with 3 different shades, 2 eyebrow shades and 1 like a highlight color. So I'm going to be using the top shade. For the area down here, I'm actually going to take my eyebrow pencil and I'm just going to go ahead and do small strokes. Okay, so now I'm going to move on to the eyes. I'm going to apply some concealer or some eye primer, whatever you have on hand. Okay, so I'm going to be taking this palette from Lorac. This is the Lorac Pro 2 palette, and I'm going to be taking this nice brown color right here. So anyways, I'm just going to take that brown shade and I'm going to apply it to my crease. And now I'm going to take a smaller brush and I'm going to take a dark green eyeshadow. So I'm going to be using this one, Forest. So I'm taking this smaller brush. This one's from Makeup Geek. This is a pointed crease brush. And I'm going to be taking some of Forest and I'm going to apply it on the outer corners of the eyes and slowly blend it inward. I'm going to take another fluffy brush. This one is from Makeup Geek as well. This one is the soft dome brush. So as you can tell, this one's a lot smaller and pointier, and this one was more on the flat top. So I'm going to be using this one to apply the color, and this one is going to be used to blend it out once I've applied it. And I'm going to take a little bit more of burlap, the first shadow that I applied, and I'm applying that on the top crease, and it's just going to help me blend out the 2 colors together nicely. Now I'm going to go in with Porcelain. Actually, now I'm going to take the shade Custard, which is this matte light yellow color. And I'm going to be applying that to my brow bone. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and apply that lid color that I want. So now I'm going to take this ColourPop palette. This one is the Semi Precious palette. And I'm going to be using this green. This one is called Upon a Star, which is this nice, it's a nice green color. So I'm going to be taking this one and I'm going to go ahead and apply it with my finger. So I'm going to take some black eyeshadow and apply it along my lash line on the top. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing on this side. Now for the face, I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Dewy Foundation. This is what the bottle looks like. And this is the second time I'm actually using this foundation. I actually tried it out on the last video. I'm going to go ahead and be using this one. And the shade that I have for me is Cream Beige. So I'm just going to take this powder from BH Cosmetics. This one is in the shade 215, and it's just a matte finishing powder. And I'm going to be using this to set my face. I'm going to be taking my Benefit Hoola bronzer. So I'm going to take a small brush so I can apply the color to the lower lash line, and I'm going to be taking that nice light brown shade that I first used, which is this one right here, and I'm going to apply that to the lower lash line. And I'm going to go into Forest, which is the dark green eyeshadow, and I'm going to apply that. Okay, so now I'm going to take the flat brush that I used earlier, and I'm going to be taking a little bit of black, and I'm going to mix it with that green shade, and I'm just going to apply it as close to the lash line as possible, and just bringing it all the way kind of towards my pupil is, or where it starts. So I'm going to be taking some black eyeliner, and I'm going to apply that to my lower lash line. And again, I'm not applying it all the way down. I am going to keep it just kind of halfway. Now for this third of my lid, or my lower lash, no, my waterline, I'm just going to be applying some gold eyeliner. And I'm also bringing it underneath as well. So I'm bringing it all the way to the bottom. And now I'm going to go back into Semi Precious palette, and I'm going to be using this gold shade down here. This one is West Star, and it looks very similar to the one that I used. This is the one I used on the lid, and this is it's more gold. So I'm going to be applying a little bit of this one just to the inner corners. Okay, so now for blush, I'm going to be using this one from BH Cosmetics, and this is what the palette looks like, and it's just a 4-color blush palette, and I'm actually going to be mixing 2 of the colors together. So I'm going to be mixing these 2 down here. I'm just going to apply a little bit of each. So just kind of dab into both of them and apply it. Now I'm going to go ahead and take some highlight, and I'm going to be using, I want to use something gold since I am kind of have that gold theme going on. So anyways, I'm going to be using this one from Dose of Colors. This one is Chasing the Sun, and that's what it looks like. It's a nice beautiful gold. So for the lips, I'm taking this lip liner from NYX Cosmetics. This one is in the shade Natural. Now I'm going to be using this lipstick from Morphe. This one is in the shade Honey. So this is what the lipstick looks like. Now I'm going to take some gloss. This one is from Dose of Colors. this is over the top gloss. So I'm just gonna take some and just apply it to the center of my lip. Okay, you guys, so this pretty much completes the look. I hope you guys liked it, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye!